We are absolutely ready for this election. We are going to have an election on the 8th of August, and we are going to have presidential ballots for that election.
We are ready to deal with the petitions that will come to court. We are prepared for that. The only thing I would request of you is that that is going to disrupt the normal work that we deal with, the commercial disputes and those ones will come to court. But that is inevitable because the periods within which we should resolve those disputes, as you all know, is very, very limited, and we don't want to cause a constitutional crisis.
In terms of reducing the risks that we know could happen at that point of time, we are having neighboring operators being on standby for another operator just in case the network fails. So that much, I think we are working together with IEBC, and so far we hope that the elections will be transmitted electronically, smoothly, and we will not have any point of failure.
We are so prepared as a government this time around to ensure that the bad manners that got us into trouble in the past does not happen again. That people are held to account. And I want to ask you, our colleagues, especially in the private sector, to speak up, to stand up with the police when we take action. And we are going to insist that action is taken against anyone, regardless of whoever they are. A member of parliament stormed into a meeting last week in Western Kenya, disrupted an NYS meeting. When we spoke with the IG, I told him, arrest him immediately and lock him up. Let him proceed. Whoever they are, that's the way to go.